Google offers a privacy feature called Delete Last 15 Minutes. It allows you to erase what you just searched for using Google's search tool. This is useful when you're looking up sensitive information or something you don't want Google to remember and suggest to you later. For this, open Google app on your iPhone. Next, tap on your account picture at the top right corner. In the overflow menu that appears, select Delete Last 15 Minutes. Google will delete your search history, removing anything you searched for in the last 15 minutes from your account. The Delete Last 15 Minutes option gives you more security for your search history. It allows you to quickly delete anything you searched for on Google in the last 15 minutes. This means you can search safely on Google without switching to incognito mode in your browser or app. When you use this feature, Google won't use your search data to influence its search algorithm. As a result, it won't suggest future articles or news related to the topics you recently searched for. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you.